Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
सर सध्या जे स्मार्ट सिटीचे काम चालू आसा अख्खे पणजेन वेगवेगळे कडेन वेगवेगळे पूल्स ब्रिज और साखळो जे आसा ते बांदतात एक्झॅक्टली हे काम केन्ना पर्यंत जातलें कंप्लीट?
So now, like we had said earlier also, most of the smart city works are tendered at the same time. So now, as per directions from Government of India and also from the state, most of the work will be done say around June, July. That is the deadline that everyone has been given. We understand the inconvenience that has been caused to a lot of people, so we'd like to apologize for that also. But now a lot of the work that is being done is absolutely necessary. For example, now a lot of the pavements will be done. We are setting up proper utility drains so roads will not have to be broken. The drainage system is to be revamped because it has not been done for the past 30-40 years. And all of these things have to be done. So now everyone has noticed like leakages in the pipes, leakages in sewage that happen very regularly. So now all of the works that are happening now is to address all of these issues that are happening. For the next 15-20 years, people will have nothing to worry about.
So this will accommodate all the electricity problem, water problem, everything. It will be.
So basically now, where G Suda is building those roads, those will be concrete roads. So all new utilities will be laid: water, power, sewage, gas, everything will be laid on the utility line. So for the next 10-15 years, none of the roads will be dug up. Only the utility trenches will be dug, and all of the work can go on simultaneously. So there will be no inconvenience. Now only because of the work that is going on, it will be a little difficult. But apart from that, it will solve everyone's problems.
So any alternative traffic arrangement has been done for this time?
So now we have had various meetings with the traffic department also, and we have asked for their cooperation. They have said that they would lend it to us. We realize also that they have not been doing the job to the best of their abilities also, but we will take up the issues with traffic as and when it is.
आणि कसं विषय म्हटलं बाटल्यान रोड आसा पळय न्ही तो एवरी इयर फुटता सिवरेजा खातीर तरी परमनंट सोल्युशन कितें गावपाना.
So now see all of the smart city work now, especially sewage department, whatever work has been, all the roads that have been damaged now, they have already taken their estimate for all of those roads to be repaved. So now Division 2 has been given that work order. The moment the sewage work is over, all of the roads will be reinstated with freshly done. There will be no patchwork. All new roads will be done.
So do you think की आमचे पणजे जे आसा न्ही ते वेल मॅनेज प्लॅन्ड सिटी जावपाक शकता बिकॉज इट हॅज अ certain kind of geographical design?
See now, under the UD minister also now, he has taken up say Margao, Ponda, Vasco. I think those cities are the first 3 cities that will be properly planned from this thing center. So in the next phase of it, Pancham will be taken up also. But I believe we need comprehensive planning for the city also in terms of everything, in terms of transportation, transportation networks. We realize the difficulties that people are having when it comes to parking also. So we believe that the master plan for the city is absolutely required also, especially for